Great for children and adults too, a strawberry milkshake combines the goodness of strawberries into a delicious tasting, refreshing drink. A strawberry milkshake contains about the same amount of strawberries per person as a normal serving of fresh strawberries. Make with homegrown or shop-bought strawberries, whether fresh or frozen. It can be a good way of using up strawberries less presentable for eating fresh. The recipe uses only 3 ingredients: strawberries, milk, and a couple of scoops of vanilla ice cream. These are all added together to a smoothie maker, blender or chopper. Give the mixture a short blast. Check for lumps and blast again if needed. When you are happy with the consistency, it is ready for serving. The milkshake tastes best when drunk through a straw. Drink straight away. Ideal for hot summer days or simply as a treat. Hello, I'm Liam and this is a short introduction to say this is a recipe from the Home Coffee Shop collection. You can see the full ingredients and all my other recipes on my website. See the link below the video. The recipes are ideal for anyone looking to find enjoyable ways to eat more nutritious food, whether for yourself or your family. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. After subscribing, click the bell to ensure you are notified every time a new video is added.